Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question from one of the most fundamental concepts in GRE mathematics, that is number properties. As you can see, this is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answers. In this particular question, P and Q are two odd integers and we are asked to investigate which of the five expressions in P and Q are odd as well. Before we proceed with the solution to this question, please pause the video at this instant and try solving the question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, please do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we go into the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answers. As you can see, options 1 and 3 are always odd, that is PQ and 3PQ. Now, how did we arrive at this particular conclusion? So, in case of these questions wherein variables are involved, the most convenient method is to choose some values for these variables and then check for each of the expressions to find out which of them are odd. However, in this case, you can actually skip the mathematical calculations, which will save you some time by utilizing some basic properties of odd numbers. For example, in the expression 1, that is PQ, we see it is actually the product of two odd numbers, and we know for a fact that product of two odd numbers is always odd. Hence, option 1 is always odd. Next, 2PQ has 2 as a factor and hence it is always even. Thus, we can safely eliminate option 2. Next, 3PQ implies multiplication of 3, which is an odd number, with PQ, which is already an odd number, and hence it must be an odd number as well. Thus, option 3 is always odd as well. Next, 4 implies summation of PQ, which is already an odd number, with P to the power Q. Now, we know that P to the power Q, which is an odd number raised to some power, is always odd. Hence, expression 4 can be reduced to summation of two different odd numbers, which always produces an odd even number, and hence expression 4 can be eliminated. Next, option 5, that is P to the power Q plus Q to the power P, implies an odd number added to another odd number, that is, it will produce an even number. And hence, we can safely eliminate option 5 as well, thus leaving us with 1 and 3 as the correct answers. In case you have any doubts, you can actually substitute values for P and Q and check, and in all cases, you will see that 1 and 3 are always odd. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you couldn't follow the question and its solution, please pause the video at this instant and go through the solution for a better view. We will be back soon with more videos, and until then, keep studying hard and I'm sure you'll ace the GRE examination. All the best and thank you.